What's up, everybody? This is Jesse Linares with the Sam Villa Art Team. Now, we get asked all the time in classes how to create the perfect fringe. Where do I part it off at? What kind of angle do I use? Do I need to elevate that for softness? What's over direction? So if we could show you guys a way that would make it really easy for you to stop and start your fringes wherever you want, would you be interested? Please say yes, because I'm going to show you. Here we go. So we have the lovely Erica here with us, and we believe that you should perform fringes on dry and finished hair. So we prepared Erica today with Redken's One United, which is their super primer, just to get it set up, and then we chase that with Redken's Iron Shape 11, which is an awesome thermal protectant with the strength of a medium control hairspray that just gets us set up for success. Now, from her natural parting, we set that for her. If we don't know exactly where to put it, definitely put the comb in her hand and let her show you. Having her parting in the place where she wears it every day is crucial for this to work. Now, from there, I'm just going to skip over to the opposite corner of her eye where the fringe actually ends. From this line, I can take this vertically, rocking my comb up until I hit her natural parting, and that's going to show me where that fringe separates and where this hair that's not part of the fringe needs to be isolated. Now we're actually working with the amount of hair that encompasses her fringe area. Now we're going to make this really easy on ourselves. So from the point where the fringe begins, we're going to take a small guide and let it drop. Over here where we determine that the fringe is going to end, we'll take a small guide and let it drop. And for the moment, we'll take everything that lies between and just get it out of our way. We don't need it right now. One of our favorite things to do is to actually put the handheld mirror in the hand of your guest and let her play along with you as you decide where this needs to go. Now that I have these two guides set, I'm just going to take the shorter piece where the fringe begins and drape that naturally across her face. You know, we want to get her involved in this decision because she's got to wear it, right? So from this point, we will decide together where to put the shortest piece, maybe right here at the cheekbone. So once we've decided that, we'll set our first guide. Then we want to take the second guide and, working with these two together, find that place where her fringe is supposed to end. Can you pre-visualize this with me? She'll be able to as well. And I look down here and I think the jawline looks pretty sweet. What do you think, Erica? Nice. Let's do it. Right there. So now we have two guides letting us know where our fringe is going to start and where the fringe is going to stop. Now all we have to decide is, how do we want to hook them up? Do we want to blend them with low elevation, which may be kind of heavy? Do we want to elevate or use over direction and other movements of haircutting to create softness? We have some great content in our website here that you can look at. Look for the videos on fringes because we do dig into those details to let you know how to make that decision best. For today, what I'm envisioning is a fringe that has nice texture on the bottom, not too heavy, just kind of looks very average and very easygoing. So what I want to do is go to that very comfortable place that we all know and love, which is elevating the hair straight up. Bringing the hair up into cutting position, go ahead and insert your first guide where you can see it, and then take your second guide. Make sure that you can see both of them as you elevate. As I'm elevating this up, my finger angle will be determined by the two guides, and where I see them roll out is where I need to begin to make my cutting. And I'll just clean those ends up. As I drop this and position it back to the way that she's going to wear it, we should find that we get a very nice diffused fringe with good texture at the bottom that lives in a nice place in accordance to our design. And then I'll just lock this down in place with one of our best friends in the salon, Triple Take 32 from Redken. And just help put that where we need to be. Well, we hope those great tips have helped you guys today on your journey to the perfect fringe. As always, leave your comments in the boxes that you see below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our content. And I'm Jesse Linares with the Sam Villa Art Team. Thanks again, guys. See you next time. Fringes.